Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Facebook story not showing or opening issue on your phone. So I'm going to show you 5 easy fixes to solve it in minutes. Let's jump right in. The first step that you can do is check your internet connection. So FB stories won't load if your connection is weak, so you can try switching Wi-Fi to mobile. Here, let's say I'm using Wi-Fi and I need to switch it into mobile data first. Or you can also turn the airplane mode on and off. And then the next step that you can do is update the Facebook app. So if you're using an old version of Facebook, and then you can just open Play Store, then update the app. So you can just search for Facebook in here. So an old version of Facebook can make stories glitch, so you can just update the app to the latest version. And the next one, check permissions. So you need to make sure that Facebook has all the required permissions. In here you can go to the homepage and long press on Facebook, click on info, and here you need to check the app permissions, this one in here. So if storage or photo access is off, the stories might not open or load properly, so you need to make sure that it is on. And the next step, you can also try to clear the Facebook cache on if you are using Android. So you can just here open the Facebook app settings and click on the storage and cache, tap on clear cache. So this will remove all temporary files that often cause stories to fail or not showing. And the last step that you can do is log out and log in. So you can open your Facebook app again. In here you can click on your photo at the top right corner, scroll down until you find the log out options. So you can log out and log back in, and this will fix your problem. And as a final step, you can also try to uninstall and reinstall Facebook if this still happen. So guys, thank you so much for watching. One of these fixes should solve your problems, and if it works, you can hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.